on-chain. Hey, on-chain revolution, Bitcoin not an illusion. Market recaps and I do a roll call. You're not bullish in the vocal. Look at the price action, yeah, send it to the deck, sell it through the spec. Ordinal's the best. Too much Bitcoin, gotta go to rehab. If you end up bearish, gotta put the knee pad. Let me see the comments, look at the fear and greed index. Look at the chart.
Welcome back to OnChain Revolution. My name is Shizzy. On this channel, we cover the entire Bitcoin crypto ecosystem. What is up, guys? We have an amazing tutorial video for you guys today. I'm going to be walking you guys through step by step on how to download and operate Hypermall. Something that I've been looking to get into. So I said, hey, let's do a video on it. But real quick, I'm gonna shout out someone real quick. So this guy, Cocktail Ninja, he hit me up like in one of our videos and was like, this actually was the Benny video. And he was like, will you continue to fade installing Hypermall now after Benny's explanation of the tech? So the only reason I was really fading Hypermall was my computer sucked and I didn't want to download anything on it, but I have a brand new computer now. So I'm looking into doing this stuff. So shout out to Ninja, and then I was messing around. And I put, I'll download Hypermall if you buy a blue check mark. Just messing around. I wasn't serious. And then he bought the blue check mark. So I am obligated now to do a full video on Hypermall. So shout out to him first. So the first thing I'm gonna do is anytime I download anything or do anything, I always go to the official Twitter first. So I'm gonna head over to the Track Network's Twitter, gold check mark, everything looks good. I'm going to go to this URL here, which is hypermall.io. And I'll have all these links for you guys in the show notes if you just want to use mine. But this is how I always get my stuff. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to click the button here, download for Windows. And it's going to pop up here. And I'm going to go into here and let's click it. So it popped up on my other screen. So I'll bring it in here. Install Hypermall. I'm going to install it. All right. I'm going to allow. All right, let's see what has happened. Okay, so it looks like it's showing up on my other computer, and it's saying app is being installed. Your app will launch. All right, and it's looking like it's launching somewhere. Let's see. I already did that. Maybe it's on. Okay. Pair runtime. I'm gonna allow it. All right, let me show you guys this. All right, so the application has not been run before. To trust, continue, type trust. Okay, I'm gonna trust you, Benny. I'm gonna trust you. And then I'm confirm. All right, so here it is. It looks like there's a pair here. I'm gonna allow again. Built with Track Network and pair. All right, just Hypermall Lab version. All right, looks like it's just going to spin for a little while. So I'm curious what it's going to feel like on the inside of it, right? Because I've never really seen any images or anything like that. So I'm going to walk you guys through everything with me here. I'm going to actually deposit some dog and stake it because I hear that's super easy as well. So as long as this starts spinning. All right, so now I'm going to agree, accept and continue. Generate new wallet here. I'm going to generate a new wallet. And my words are just going to pop up there. And I'm going to show you guys my wallet. I'm going to show you guys my wallet. I'm going to go back. And then I'm going to just pause this and I'm going to write down my stuff. All right. It does look like everything's good. So I wrote down my words in there. It wasn't the same words you guys saw. Don't worry, I'm not an idiot. I actually went and got different words. So then, yeah, so this looks like it is it right now. You have all these trading pairs: Tap USDT, Gib USD, Dog Go to the Moon USDT. Dog and Gib has an LP pool. Let's make this bigger. Okay, and go to wallet. So I'm going to go to my assets, and I'm going to hit deposit. Setup failed. Failed to generate rune address. Try again. I wonder why. Let me refresh all. And let's try again. Deposit. I'm going to pause it. Dog. Okay, here we go. Send your dog, go to the moon. Tokens to this address below. Wait 2 Bitcoin network confirmations, usually about 20 minutes. Your token will appear in Hypermall. So my runes deposit address. Important, only send dog, go to the moon runes. This is address. Okay, we'll copy that. All right, guys, I'm going to send over some dog, and I'll be right back. All right. It looks like my dog has arrived. So I sent about 90,000 dog, a little bit more, around $300 worth of dog here. And I'm going to stake it. Well, let's actually trade first. Let's see how the trading environment is. So we'll go to market. Market mode, strict, normal. So we'll go sell dog. Let's sell 389 dog, just to kind of see how it goes. Let's sell dog. Oh wow, that was quick. That was super quick. All right, let's go buy it back. So what did I sell for? I sold for USDT. So I should have USDT now, but I might have to refresh. It said my transaction went through. Let's try it again. Oh, okay, cool. I got my USDT. All right, let's do that. Let's run that back. Market. We'll go 1.1. We'll go 100%. All right, buy and trade. Done. Cool. I mean, that is super fast. It does take a few seconds to kind of make sure the refresh happens. But it's still, man, that is insanely fast to get the confirmation anyway. Okay, let's switch it back to dog. There you go. Now I got this in there again. Let's do a different trade. Let's go dog gib. Yeah, there you go. It's dog gib. Let's do the same thing. Let's sell a little bit of dog. Let's sell 366. Give me 84 gib. Wow. I mean, that confirmation is pretty instant. Pretty instant there. But it doesn't go in your wallet right away. It does show up there. Let's see what my gib. Refresh. Oh, it does go in the trading thing pretty quickly. I guess not. There you go. So that's good. So I guess this. There you go. I got my 83 gib now. Let's go over to wallet. So gib's only withdrawal deposit, but I can stake dog. Let's go stake dog. Available to stake. Let's go 40,000. 40,000 dogs, staking it. Wow. Super fast. And I guess this will disappear here, and I'm guessing it'll show up at the bottom here after it's staked. Probably like another minute or two. But yeah, I mean, I definitely like it. I definitely can see that this is very early days, and they do have a good framework now to kind of keep making this better. The downloading process was pretty easy. Everything was pretty easy, gotta say. You know, it does take a few seconds. It might be like, you know, a UI thing, because it does say that it's happening pretty quick. So yeah, so that's in there now. Let's see if I see. There it is. There's my stake, 40,000. Yep. So we are good there, and I'm gonna keep messing with this, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this, because I definitely did, and I can't wait to keep messing with this. I can't wait to see what Benny the dev and those guys over at Track do, man. To do next. So this is really, really awesome. Great job, guys. Appreciate it, and you know, really cool to kind of see what you're building, and keep building for Bitcoin. And definitely thank you for that. And that's our show, guys. If you wouldn't mind checking out our partners, of course, you know, we got Sats Terminal, satsterminal.io. We have BetBTC, BetBTC.win. And then we have Emblem Vault, emblem.vision is their website, and agenthustle.ai. So definitely go check out both of those. Then if you have some time, wouldn't mind checking out artura.finance. Check out their docs. They're going live soon on Botonix and Hemi. It's going to be very exciting. Bitcoin L2s. And then you have Fluid tokens. These guys are building on Alkane so quickly. The smart contracts are going to be phenomenal over there. Definitely go check out Fluid tokens. And then Tokyo Wallet. If you guys need a wallet, Tokyo is the place. Cardano and Bitcoin now. You can swap, and they are partnered with Sats Terminal. So when you swap there, you're swapping through Sats Terminal and now potentially Magic Eden. So really awesome there. Then Merlin Chain. Check out Merlin Chain. MerlinChain.io. You can stake there as well. And then on top of that, check out the guys over at formerly Foxy, and now they're building Jungle. So check them out. And of course, Ordinal Hive, the legends, building a Ordinal aggregator. That's ordinalhive.io. Check them all out, guys. Really appreciate it. And on that note, we'll see you next time. Peace.
OnChain Revolution roll call. Market recap. You're not bullish enough. No. You're not bullish enough. No. Look at the price go. Bitcoin control. Why you still coping? Price action rolling. Don't fall for bear trap. Swapping indexes and putting it up in the sex. I can take profit right now. OnChain is where I be now. You can never look back. They don't want you to know. How did the market react? Fear and greed gotta adapt. Now we bridging the tokens and marching the network right now. You know how crazy we are. Nookies are savages now. They know how crazy we are. Chain abstraction, main attraction. OnChain Revolution.